2 seconds of stuff. What a pity. Oh, yeah. I should have put my nano around. It's really good video.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Have a flash?
See, we got a good seat, guys. Oh, yeah.
I picked it.
But then you wanted to move.
Yeah, but I picked it.
We stayed.
I know.
But yeah, good job. You probably hear all of that too while we're watching this. Thanks for the invite, see?
No, it's not bad.
Well, 8:30 the real one starts? What's that?
No, 8:30 was wrong.